In our previous video, we explored how Gamma.app can save you tons of time by quickly creating stunning presentations. Today, we're diving even deeper into the advanced features of Gamma.app, and trust me, you're going to be amazed. Let's see why Gamma.app is the perfect replacement for PowerPoint with massive time savings. Ready? Let's go. First, let's talk about why presentations are so crucial. Whether you're pitching a new idea, teaching a class, or updating your team, a great presentation can make all the difference. But let's face it, creating them can be time-consuming and sometimes frustrating. That's where Gamma.app comes in. It's an AI-powered tool designed to make creating presentations easier, faster, and more intuitive. Imagine having a smart assistant that understands your needs and helps you craft your slides with precision. Sounds amazing, right? Let's add a new slide by simply clicking the plus button. Now that we have a new slide, let's pick the right template for our purpose. This list shows a lot of templates. Let's add a template for the pie chart. Let's configure it to our needs. See the pie chart change as we update the numbers. Isn't it cool? Let's tweak a few more numbers. Another way to add a pie chart is to click on the charts icon in the right side ribbon. I can even change the chart type and see how it looks. This helps in decision making. Let's change the color scheme. Look how perfectly customizable this pie chart is. I can even change the chart type and see how it looks. This helps in decision making. Let's add another slide. Can we add a video? Absolutely. Select the YouTube video option. Now I have the option to add the video URL. Let me add our previous Gamma.app review video. Aha, I see the video on the slide. That's so simple and fantastic. Next, let's add a Google form to our presentation. Simply add the URL of the view page of the Google form. And there you go. The form shows up, and you can fill it out right from the slide. How cool is that? Now, let's try something else. How about edit with AI? Let's reduce the text by 20%. There's a noticeable reduction in text. This is good. Let's move to a different slide and change its layout. Wow, this is impressive. It's so much better and so fast. The AI even found the correct icons. It's a huge time saver. During my recent exploration, I found the Publish to Site feature be incredibly useful. Definitely worth trying. Another cool feature is View Source Prompt. It shows the prompt we gave to get this slide. If you think you need to tweak it, you can. This will help you get even better slides. In summary, this tool is far more powerful than you might think. It offers a wide range of pre-made templates that are super easy to customize. You can add various charts, videos, and even Google Forms. I highly recommend trying Gamma.app, especially because it saves a huge amount of time, allowing you to focus on more meaningful tasks. If you like this video, definitely check out Gamma.app with the link in the description. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fantastic videos. Drop your questions and comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with Gamma.app. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.